Okay folks, so we have Isa carrying his kitten to the vet today to get her spayed, and this is Biscuit. We now had some difficulty putting her in the box. So yeah.
This is Key, this is Biscuit, and she really likes to get pet up. And yeah, she's scared right now because she wanna know where she's going. Like this.
And we're off.
So this is Kitty. This is Kitty. So one time, Dad would give Kitty Biscuit some food, and then she became our friend. So now we have a new pet. And say hi, Kitty. Meow. Said hi.
Hello.
So what's up, guys? So there we are. Halfway there. This is Kitty, aka Biscuit. She calm right now, and she kinda sleeping. So yeah, Kitty just look at the camera.
Okay folks, so we arrived at Sarah Animal Hospital. Here.
We're gonna get Kitty.
And we are going to get Kitty inside. And here is a kitten roving about. And Kitty is all excited.
I don't know.
We don't know.
Let's see the cat.
Isa is holding Kitty inside. About to come to collect her. And check out Kitty is so excited.
Kitty is not excited. Wanna put you outside?
No, we can't put you outside. We will lost you.
Kitty.
Yeah, she watching the new place. Yeah.
Okay guys, so yesterday we dropped Kitty by the vet. We now going fishing. Yesterday we had to leave she for one night. So yeah, we now gonna go get you. Okay guys, so we're at Sarah's Animal Hospital. My guy is here to drop off his pet too, and my Daru is going to get Kitty, aka Biscuit. So I'll be waiting for him. I don't know when he's coming, but yeah. Alright guys, so we got Kitty. Daru is back. The back. Kitty is back too. We're going back, folks. So bye. Kitty's back, guys. Hey guys, so we're almost home. So now Kitty has to put powder on she wound and tablets for 14 days. So let's see what will happen.
So we would like to thank Sarah Animal Hospital for taking such good care of Kitty. She is located in Rosilac. You can find her contact information on Facebook. So over and out, guys.